For this part, I'd like to introduce the restoration and the backup function for you. First of all, let's click the instance name that you want to do the backup or restoration. And at the left bar, you can see the backups and the restorations categories. Click this button and we go to this page, and in this page you can see we can do 4 backups and incremental backups, and we can manage our backup policies here, and we can do point in time recovery here, and we can do restore databases or tables here, and we can also stop backup here. Firstly, we can let's go to see the backup policy configuration, and this page you can see backup data is copied from the instance, compressed and uploaded to OBS, which means our backup file is stored in the OBS. And we also have the automated backup. Once this function enabled, an incremental backup is automatically performed every 5 minutes to ensure data reliability. And the time required for the backup depends on how much data the instance has. The average backup speed is 6 megabytes per second. So for this automated backup, we can see we can configure the time window here, and we can see we can configure the backup circle here, and we can also configure the retention period here. After we have made some modification, we need to click the OK to save this change, and you can see here some warning information. We just click OK to save them. You can see the policy have been configured. As you can see, here are some backup files here. We can restore the backup files, or we can download it. We can replicate the backup files. We can also create backup manually, because as you can see, the backup files displayed here is automated created by the system. If we want to manually create the backup, we can configure the name of the backup just for testing the menu. Okay. Let's click OK. So we can see request for creating a backup has been submitted. We can see the status is creating. So for this period, we cannot do the restoration operation or any other create backup. And we can see here for the point in time recovery, we can choose any date, because this instance is just created yesterday, so the date is limited, and the time range and the time point you want to recovery, we can choose randomly. For testing and restoration type, we can choose the create new instance or restore to existing. If you want to restore existing, here is some warning information to remind you the impact that may cause for the currently instance. If we can create a new instance by the point in time. We just click OK. And here you can see we need to configure other parameters. After you have choose all this configuration you want to do, you can click this buy But for resource saving, I'm not gonna to show the operation after this step. But it's also very simple. You can imagine that uh, after I click this button, it will generate a same instance from this backup files, which is the restoration to a new instance. I think you can understand. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to the land page. You can see our manually backup file has been created. Here we can also do the restore and download or more operations such as delete and replicate for this backup file. And I think we can refresh this page to enable the some operations here. Okay, everything goes well as you can see. Then that's all about the backup and the restoration.